Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. আজি আমি স্পৰ্টছৰ কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যনৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰিম। আহকচোন আজি ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰো। সো আজি প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল who has won the Norway Chess Group A Open Chess Tournament? Option A R Pragnanandha, option B Pentala Harikrishna, option C Viswanathan Anand, option D Vaisali Ramesh Babu. So the correct option is R Pragnanandha. So the next question is who has secured a spot at the 2024 Paris Paralympics after winning the gold medal in the parachuting World Cup in women's 10-meter air rifle. So the options are option A Anahat Singh, option B Avani Lekhara, option C Priyanka Mohite, and option D Jahnavi Dangeti. So the correct option is Avani Lekhara. So the next question is who is the first women cricketer to appear in the 6 World Cups? Option A Sneh Rana, option B Anjum Chopra, option C Smriti Mandhana, option D Mithali Raj. So the correct option is option D Mithali Raj. Eti ami pisor proshonto lahu who has become the first batsman to 3 consecutive ODI centuries twice? So the options are option A Babar Azam, option B David Warner, option C Joe Root, option D Ben Stokes. So the correct option is option A Babar Azam. So the Pakistani skipper Babar Azam scripted a historic record with his century in the first ODI in Multan against West Indies. So the next question is who has won the men's singles final at Roland Garros 2022? So the option A Rafael Nadal, option B Alexander Zverev, option C Novak Djokovic, and option D Casper Ruud. And the correct option is option A Rafael Nadal. The clay court champion Rafael Nadal has won his 14th French Open title and 22nd Grand Slam after beating first-time Grand Slam finalist Casper Ruud in the men's single final. Now moving to the next question. Which team has won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2022? And the options are option A Japan, option B Malaysia, option C Pakistan, option D South Korea. And the correct option is option D South Korea. South Korea dashed Malaysia's hope of a maiden hero Asia Cup trophy as they reigned supreme with a thrilling 2-1 final victory here at the GBK Sports Arena. Next question, who will continue as UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador for a record 20th year? Option A Sania Mirza, option B Deepika Padukone, option C Sachin Tendulkar, option D Priyanka Chopra. And the correct option is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar will continue as UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador for a record 20th year, working for the welfare of unprivileged children. Next, who has won the Purple Cap in IPL 2022? Option A Kuldeep Yadav, option B Kagiso Rabada, option C R Ashwin, option D Yuzvendra Chahal. And the correct option is option D Yuzvendra Chahal. Yuzvendra Chahal is the winner of the Purple Cap in IPL 2022 after taking a total of 27 wickets in 17 matches. Who has become the first foreign climber to scale Mount Everest for the 16th time? And the options are option A Karina Oliani, option B Adley Pennington, option C Carlos Hatuka, option D Canton Cool. And the correct option is option D Canton Cool. Canton Cool, a British mountaineer, has successfully climbed the summit of Mount Everest 16th time. He is the first non-Nepalese and the first British citizen to do so. Who has been appointed as the new captain of the West Indies ODI and T20 team? And the options are option A Sai Hope, option B Jermaine Blackwood, option C Simran Hetmeyer, option D Nicholas Puran. And the correct option is option D Nicholas Puran. And Nicholas Puran has been appointed as the new captain of the West Indies ODI and T20 teams. এতিয়া মই আপোনালোকলৈ এটি কুৱেশ্যন আগবঢ়াইছো। কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো কি হ'ব আপোনালোকে তলত কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব। থেংক ইউ।